Peter Hirons understands the importance of good equipment. After all, it's part of what helped him expand his business, PJ Hirons Limited. For the last 6 years, his company has relied on Vermeer horizontal directional drills for utility work. Now, he's adding versatility and a competitive edge to his operation with a T655 trencher with bucket wheel attachment.
There's nobody running a bucket wheel in the UK at the moment. We're trying the bucket wheel for the first time. We're hoping to reduce sort of our running costs by using the bucket wheel, not a chain, and that's sort of why we've gone with the bucket wheel, but we've also got the ability to swap it back to a chain if we decide that the job needs a chain, not a bucket wheel. And nobody else in the trenching market could offer one machine to do those two. It enables to drill rock with a rock drill, and then it enables us to swap between a bucket wheel and a trencher with the same machine. The difference in the bucket wheel, compared to some of our competitors running trenchers, so you need to run a lot heavier trencher to get the width of a trench that you can get out of a bucket wheel. The biggest impact I expect the T655 to have on my job site is increased productivity through the bucket wheel digging the softer soils that we have in our country rather than using a chain. So we're going to have better productivity and less diesel burned.
Hirons got a better look at what sets Vermeer Equipment and the company as a whole apart during a manufacturing facility tour in Pella, Iowa.
Very impressed with the factory, all the welding and that's first rate, and good guys doing it work. Good engineers, good, straight, honest company, and really interested to come to the factory today and see how it's all family derived and not a big, it's a big corporation or a big company, but it's still quite a friendly family business. The fact that it's all run by the family really, and they're all very, very family orientated business. How they've got dealerships all around the world.
Back home, Vermeer UK provides the support and service Peter Hirons needs to be equipped to do more.
They're just obviously in for the long haul, and it just gives you the confidence that, if you need them, they're going to be there on the end of the phone and stock the spares that you need.
The new addition to the PJ Hirons fleet is more than a piece of equipment. It's a commitment to the next generation. The T655 will help ensure the company is ready for the future when Hirons eventually passes it to his son.
I'm setting my business up with the best equipment available to hopefully the next generation will take the business over. My name is Peter Hirons, and that's why I chose more productivity today.